Hi and welcome back everyone to SMJ-Tech channel, and today we'll be resuming with our PowerPoint tutorials. This video will be a short one and I'll show you one basic thing that a lot of us have trouble on is how to save our presentation in PDF form. Of course, once we have presented, we want to share the PowerPoint presentation with our stakeholders, and we also want to make sure that it goes out in an editable form. So there's the easiest way is to send it as PDF. So how to go about it? You just simply you have a presentation like I have it here, and I want to send it to someone in PDF. So I'll go over to the File tab, Save As, go to the Save As option over here. I'll browse to the location and select the Save As type for PDF. Save this as, PDF presentation. I would rather save it as PPT to PDF. PPT is PowerPoint format for the presentation. PDF is of course the one that we usually use in Acrobat. So this is how you'll save it. You save as type, keep it as PDF. You can update your name over here, the author's name. If you want to add some tags, you can add the slide title over here or presentation title. You have options over here where you want to either save all of the slides or only the current slide, or you can even give a selection of slides. So you have all the options. You can be selective while generating your PDF. So I'll select all for now, and you want to publish. You also want to tell how to convert those slides into PDF. If you want to have them as slides, or you want to have them as handouts, you also have multiple times like notes, pages, outline view. And if you choose slides, you can also opt for frame slides. If you want to add some frames, include hidden slides in case you have those in your slide deck, and you want to exclude those, just don't check mark this one. And if you have any comments, you leave them out and want to leave them out, you just leave this check mark. Include ink, basically, if you're using any kind of fonts specific to this presentation, you should try to have it embedded, and the rest is the document properties and stuff like that. So once you've done with it, you click OK. Standard publishing as usual. And if you want to save some screen your disk size, just go for minimum and you click save. And as soon as it's done, it's going to open that PDF. There you go. Slight error there. That was because I tried to open it before it was done. So you can see the presentation slides in PDF form, and that's the easiest thing that you can do for converting your PowerPoint into PDF. So I hope this helps. So, and take care of yourselves, and Allah Hafiz.